SIDU Space and Dhruva Space have signed a memorandum of understanding to further commercialize new and innovative space technologies and services. Space technology cooperation will consist of two companies working on different aspects of space technology. One company will focus on developing space technologies to support the other company's research and development in space science. The companies will also work together on developing new space technologies, pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. The two companies will also collaborate on the fielding of satellites and related technologies. The commercialization of tested and sustained space technologies will be a part of this cooperation. The agreement will also include the sales and marketing of manufacture, integration, and deployment of satellites to rapidly raise the technology readiness level (TRL) for technologies with on-orbit testing of subsystems and other technologies in a space environment. This renewed and enhanced agreement with Dhruva Space is another significant step towards their collective plans to design, manufacture, deploy and support constellation-based solutions for global commercial and government customers.